Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can pass UTM parameters to clickbank. So first at all, we will have to save that parameter locally. So to achieve it, I have put a code over here in this footer. So basically this function is to get parameters from URL. So our parameter is UTM campaign. So I have created a new variable called UTM campaign, and I'm fetching it from URL. So basically there will be a UTM campaign parameter in the URL, and this function will fetch it from there and save it over here in this parameter for UTM campaign. So what I'm doing now is I'm checking if there is a parameter exists. So there are chances that there will be a parameter like that, and mm, uh, that there are also chances that it won't be there. So I'm checking here if it parameter exists or not, and if it exists, I'm saying it into local storage. So this function is saying that parameter to UTM campaign. So set item is to save the parameter locally. Now this parameter will be saved locally uh, unless we are clearing the cache. So we have saved this parameter in browser. Now I'm doing this functionality in all the funnel steps, because if our ad campaign is changing, we will have to update this parameter locally. So as you can see, I have put that function and that code in each step. So I hope you can understand this. And at, what I'm doing in the last step is that let me go to, footer section of this page. So what I'm doing over here is I'm fetching the parameter initially. So this function stays same to fetch the parameter, and if there is new UTM campaign parameter first at all, it will save it in local storage, and I am fetching that parameter in this variable again. So as if you remember, I had set this parameter on all the pages, but what I'm doing here is I'm getting this parameter. It was set item in other pages, and here it is get item to page parameter from local storage. So if now that parameter is in this variable, now what I'm doing here is I am there is a pop-up. Initially I am getting this ID from here, like ID for this button. We can get that ID from here, and on this click event I have set a click event using jQuery over here. Like on click, there is a function which is setting up window.location is a function to redirect the page. Like if we are on some page and we want to redirect it to another page using JavaScript, there is a function called window.location. So I have set this URL over here, which is redirect URL, and at the end I am passing this UTM campaign parameter. So that's how it's redirecting that UTM parameter as TID, and in clickbank we need to pass our campaign parameter as TID. So that's how I'm doing this. Hope it makes sense, and feel free to ask me questions if you find any issues. Thanks.